3 ways to avoid catastrophic car repair bills this summer. Hello, I'm Dave Riccio, owner of Tri-City Transmission and Auto Repair. Nothing ruins a perfectly good car faster than an engine overheat, and 9 times out of 10, those catastrophic overheats could have been easily avoided with simple maintenance and just a little bit of knowledge. First, before it gets hot out, have an engine cooling system wellness check performed. A cooling system on the fritz will get you through when the weather is mild but can instantly fall on its face when you hit 100 degrees. Second, watch for puddles and smells around your vehicle. A puddle today is an overheat tomorrow. Most engine coolant is not green anymore. It comes in all colors but mostly has a sweet smell. With puddles or a sweet smell, get your car in immediately. Third, get in the habit of checking your gauges and never race the engine's temperature gauge home. This never works out as a blown head gasket or a blown engine happens in a quick moment. Get the car towed and save yourself thousands of dollars. Call today to schedule an engine cooling system wellness check and be sure to ask about our complete vehicle summer readiness package. We'll see you soon.